Blends shampoo conditioner. They are currently on sale for 2 for $7. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would get these for $4 or just $2 a piece. The Garnier Fructis is on sale for 2 for $7. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would get these for $4 or just $2 a piece. The L'Oreal Elvive is currently on sale 2 for $8. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, plus we have a $1 off of 2 Walgreens coupon that's either a digital or you guys can use the booklet. So you guys will get 2 of them for $4 or just $2 a piece. The Colgate toothbrushes are on sale for $2.99. We do have a 50-cent off digital coupon. We also have the Colgate toothpaste for $2.99 with a 50-cent off digital coupon. So you guys can mix and match if you have the digitals. Otherwise, if you have paper ones, you can use those and mix and match. But you guys want to use both of those 50-cent digital coupons. You guys would end up paying $4.98. But then you get a $5 register reward, making them absolutely free. The Crest Gum Detoxify and the Crest Charcoal, they are on sale for $6.99. I do have a $3 off digital coupon for this one and a $3 off digital coupon for this one. If you guys spend $10 or more, you get 5,000 points. But then you guys would end up paying $7, or you guys would pay $7.98. You get the 5,000 points. Then you guys can submit a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta and a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just, well, it'd be $2.98. Sorry, it's hard to do this with one hand. $2.98, take away 50, so it'd be $2.48. If you plan to do this deal, it comes out to be $1.24 for these tubes of toothpaste. The Crest toothpaste is $4 on sale. We also have $4 off toothbrushes that you guys can mix and match, and then there's also $4 mouthwashes. We currently have there's 2 different digitals that you guys could use. We have a 5 off of 3 and we have a 7 off of 3. You guys want to make sure you clip the 7 off of 3. If you're going to use both coupons, you have to do them in separate transactions. But you guys would basically use that digital coupon. You guys would pay $5 for 3 of them, but then you get a $5 register reward, making them absolutely free. If you do use the $5 off one, it comes out to be just $2. The Werther's Original are on sale for 2 for $4. We do have a $1 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would end up paying $3, but in the Ibotta app, there is a 75-cent off rebate with Ibotta times 2, so you guys would actually get these for 75 cents, $1.50, or just 75 cents a piece. Make sure you do scan which ones work, just giving you guys a heads up. You guys need to start stocking up on candy. The deal of the week this week is Butterfingers. You guys can get bags for $1.99. The Febreze is 2 for $6. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use, making them $1.50 each, or $3 for both of them. Purex is currently on sale 3 for $6. That includes the Purex crystals, the regular Purex, and the Purex pods. You guys would get those for just $2 a piece. The Palmolive dish soap is currently on sale for $1.99. We do have a 50-cent off digital coupon that you guys can use, making these just $1.49. General Mills cereal is on sale for $1.99. We do have a couple different coupons. We have a $1 off of 2. We also have $2 off of 4. But you guys basically use that $1 off of 2. You would pay $3.98. So basically it comes out to be $1.49 a piece. The Planters nuts are on sale for $3.99. We do have a digital $1 off coupon, so you guys will get these for $2.99. If you guys are thinking about Christmas, this could be an easy gift to give if you guys like to give nuts. So just giving you guys a heads up because it's a big difference for a price.